Namaste. Welcome to Diabetic Control with Yoga Part 2. In Part 1, we learned some standing, sitting and other asanas. Now in this Part 2, we will learn about some other sitting, reclining and inverted asanas. Let's begin with Upavishta Konasana. Seated wide angle posture. This asana stretches tight hips, pelvis and hamstrings. Turn your torso to a side, exhale and stretch forward your foot. Inhale and lift up. Repeat on the other side. This asana relieves asthma, low back pain, sciatica, hernia, arthritis and also relieves varicose veins, prostate, menstrual and menopausal problems, enhance flexibility and strengthen the hips and pelvis, helps pregnancy. Relax. Next, Paschimottanasana, intense waist stretch posture. Exhale and stretch forward and grasp your big toes, loosen your shoulders, rest your chest on your thighs and your head on your knees. To avoid muscle resistance, stretch gently and slowly. Soften your abdomen, focus on lengthening your spine. The more you relax, the deeper you can stretch forward. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Next, Navasana, boat pose. Exhale, lift your legs off the floor. Stretch your hands. Engage your core muscles. Fix your gaze and balance on your sit bones. Stay steady with even breathing. Stability in the hips will promote balance. Relax. Another variation. This asana strengthens upper thighs, hips, pelvis and abdomen. Relieves hernia, thyroid, menstrual and menopausal problems. Refreshes brain, heals diabetes, removes fatigue, infuses vitality, reduces excess body weight and fat around abdomen and thighs. Please observe me carefully. Try to do as much as you can do. Inward focus and a positive attitude is essential for maintaining balance. This balancing asana outwardly resembles a boat, hence the name boat. Relax, sit in Dandasana, inhale, exhale. Next, Pavana Muktasana, gastric release pose. Ardha Pavana Muktasana. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, raise your leg. Exhale, grab hold of your knees. Interlock your fingers. Inhale, raise your head up and touch the forehead or chin to the knee. Keep the right leg straight. Exhale, release the head on the floor. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Repeat on the other side. This asana improves flexibility and strength in the legs, hips, pelvis, spine and abdomen. Relieves low back pain, sciatica, hernia, hip and knee pains, low and high BP. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, raise your both legs. Exhale, drop your both knees on the chest. Grab hold of the knees. Inhale, Raise your head up and place your chin or forehead in between your knees. Exhale, release. Hold. Stay steady with even breathing. Release. And also this asana massaging the abdomen and the digestive organs. A perfect posture for removing gastric and constipation problems, improving digestion power. And relax with Markatasana, spinal relax, and inhale, exhale. Simply inhale, exhale, full body relax. Sit in Dandasana, some inhale exhalations. Next, Supta Urdhva Padasana, reclining leg lifts. Stretch your hands overhead. Inhale, lift both legs up without bending your knees. Stay steady with focused breathing. Exhale, down. Without touching the floor, practice this movement dynamically 10 to 20 times, synchronizing your breath. This asana drains stagnated fluids, reduces swelling, knee and low back pain, tones the abdomen, reduces fat in thighs, hips and abdomen. Sit in Dandasana and relax. Inhale, exhale. Now Sarvangasana, shoulder stand, a complete posture, provides overall benefit. Inhale, raise your legs, hips and spine off the floor, hold your lower back and straighten your spine. Draw your elbows closer and move your palms to your mid-spine. Fix your gaze on your chest. And variations, Sarvangasana variations. Close your eyes and focus on your breath. Stay steady with focus, even breathing. And another variation. When you develop back pain, come out of the asana immediately. Keep your mind free from thoughts. This asana massages brain, heart and lungs, balances hormones and emotions, relieves depression, anxiety, asthma, bronchitis, sinus problems, and also relieves thyroid problems, palpitations, leg pain, enhances metabolism, relieves high and low BP, diabetes, indigestion, varicose veins, constipation, hemorrhoids, incontinence, menstrual and menopausal problems, strengthen immune system, prevent from diseases. Relax, inhale, exhale. Now Halasana, plow posture. Set your body for Halasana. Inhale and press your hands on the floor. Raise your legs and hips off the floor and extend your legs beyond your head. Rest your feet on the floor. Stay steady with inward focus and even breathing. Come out gracefully. Place your hands to the sides of your body and press them on the floor. Move your head backwards. Lift your chin and shrug your shoulders. Look back and breathe few times. Exhale and roll your spine slowly on the floor. Bring your legs and spine to the floor without lifting your head off the floor. Now another variation. In Halasana, Karnapidasana, blacked ears posture. This asana massages and energizes brain, neck, lungs, heart and abdomen. Relieves insomnia, fatigue, anxiety, depression, sinus problems, vertigo, and also relieves colitis, diabetes, hemorrhoids, thyroid problems. Relieves incontinence, prostate, menstrual and menopausal problems. Reduces body weight, stabilizes emotions, calms restless mind. Pain in the neck is common. It is a sensation of healing. Experienced practitioner can practice after Sarvangasana. Now, Setu Bandhasana, bridge posture. Lie on your back, bend your knees and place your hands on the sides. Press your head, shoulders and forearms on the floor. Inhale and raise your back as high as you can. Do as much as your body allows. Stay steady with even breathing. This asana massages the brain and neck, improves lung and heart functions, relieve back pain, hip pain, asthma, thyroid problems. Relax with counter posture Pavanamuktasana and hip rolls. And also this asana relieves fatigue, diabetes, high and low BP, prostate, vertigo, anxiety, depression, menstrual and menopausal problems. Relax, inhale, exhale, sit in Dandasana. Now, Supta Vajrasana with cushions, reclining thunderbolt posture. Please observe me carefully. Try to do as much as you possible. Experience the front body extension through upper thighs. The thighs may initially hurt. Counter posture, relax with Adho Mukha Vajrasana or Balasana. This asana refreshes and renews the organs, a healing variation of Vajrasana. This asana relieves acidity, ulcer, diabetes, heaviness after meals, low and high BP, asthma, palpitations, menstrual and menopausal problems. Now, Jatara Parivartasana, abdominal twist posture. This asana realigns, massages and strengthens abdomen, hips, buttocks, spine relaxation posture. This asana relieves stiffness and pain in hips, spine, neck and shoulders. Massages abdominal organs, relieves indigestion, diabetes, acidity and ulcers, and also relieves menstrual and menopausal problems, reduces excess fat in hips and abdomen. Relax. Now, Markatasana, monkey posture. It is an excellent yoga posture to cure back pain, brings flexibility in the spine. It is an effective to prevent constipation and indigestion. And also this asana beneficial in diabetes, improves memory and calms your body. Relax. Relax is most important after completion of yoga sequence, at least 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, see you again in diabetic control with yoga part 3. That is last class of our diabetic yoga complete class. In that we will learn about pranayamas and meditation with yoga mudras. Thank you.